Welcome to Family Recipe Ghar. Today we will be making exotic veg momos which will be using a lot of exotic vegetables. We will need about a cup of zucchini, that is both colors, yellow and white, broccoli, chopped carrots and American sweet corn. For the chutney we will require about 2 red chilies, onion and garlic, also peanuts and 1 tomato. So first let's blanch these vegetables. I have put them in very hot water and I'm going to keep this aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. So now let's make the dough. We'll take about a cup of maida, and to this we'll keep adding a little bit of water and a little bit of oil, and then make a dough and make sure you knead it very well. Okay, and then you keep this aside for about 5 minutes. Now in a pan, fry onions till it's translucent. Now add in about 2 Kashmiri chilies in this. So now into the pan we'll be adding in about a handful of roasted groundnuts, and we will add in 2 medium tomatoes chopped, and fry these until the tomatoes are mushy and the raw smell is gone. Make sure the peanuts are already roasted. Once done, take off the flame and make a nice paste like this. Now let's begin the momo making. First we'll roast about 8 cloves of garlic pod which is nicely diced. Roast them till brown. As it's lockdown, we do not have lemon, so we have taken tamarind. Now drain the vegetables and keep it aside for almost 2 minutes. Along with my veggies, I have taken a handful of coriander. It gives a nice taste. So with my tamarind, because I do not have lemons, I am using this. So we have all the ingredients ready for making the momo stuffing, that is exotic vegetables blanched, 1 inch ginger chopped, garlic roasted, pepper powder, red chilies chopped and salt. So let's go ahead. Now take a small piece of dough and roll it into a small size, like almost a puri size, very thin, and put in the stuffing. I have mixed all the ingredients that I have shown initially, and bring them together into a modak shape, or just fold them into this shape. When we are making this, simultaneously let's keep a steamer ready. Now make all these momos and place them on a greased plate so that it is easy to take off. You don't have to grease it too much. Now we'll place it in our steamer and let this steam for about 10 minutes. And here our momos are ready. Let's enjoy them with our peanut chutney. Thank you. Please do subscribe, share and like.